Alright everybody, in this video we're going to do work knife maintenance. Basically we're going to want to try to straighten that out as best as possible. This is what we use to open the boxes with. I guess that's about as straight as you're going to get it. So anyway, that is the side that we use to open the box. This is the other end of the knife. Basically just a nice little sharp edge with this needle file right here. Nothing too serious. Pretty sharp. Yep. It's basically work knife maintenance. Keep it straight and put this needle file away. And you could take something like this file right here. And basically kind of give it a little sharp edge. So basically this has been work knife maintenance. If you're in my kind of warehouse type work. And we have a sharp knife. Hope you enjoyed.